You know, I was talking about bringing...
Okay, so we just got off of Splash Mountain, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are completely soaked. So we are going back to the hotel now to get changed, and but right now we're eating some lunch at, here, I'll ask them. What is...
I don't want to go back again.
Is it Harbour Galley?
Yes.
Okay, we're eating lunch at Harbour Galley. And, yeah, but my hair is like so, well, my hair is not, yes it is. Yes, my hair is soaked, my shirt is completely soaked, and my pants are soaked, and I have wet socks. So, there you guys go. At least it got a bit warmer this afternoon. But I am going to vlog again at lunch, so I'll see you guys in just a couple minutes. Alright, welcome back. We are at Harbour Galley, and that's Harbour Galley. Yeah, my dad is here. We ordered a clam chowder, a kids power pack, and a lobster roll. So those are the three things. We're gonna split them all between us. My dad is taking pictures of me. He does that sometimes. But now we have this beautiful bag. Oh, it came with the water. Wait. Look, it came with the water. And I got goldfish. This is like, oh, this is great. It's like being a little kid again. This is Danimals yogurt, apple slices, and carrots. So this is gonna be a delicious lunch. And then I'm also sharing this with my mom. So, yeah, it's like a Disney mukbang. Okay. So. Yeah.
You gotta get in that habit.
Yeah, it was like, good job. Because I didn't remember the Disney Vacation Club discounts. Could I please have some, Mom?
Some bread or
bread? Or both.
Yeah, dip the bread in there. It's really
Yeah. So,
We'll just dump all in. That's really good.
Oh, that's good.
It's really good. It's in a bread bowl, so we're dipping the bread because it's steaming.
Work napkins.
Napkins?
Where?
Where? Okay, that was hot. That was some hot soup there. It watered my eyes. Alright, now before we go to the hotel, we are going to ride two last rides. We're going to do Pirates of the Caribbean, and we are going to do Haunted Mansion. And I'm wearing my dad's jersey right now because I was very, very cold. And we have fast passes for both of these, right?
Yep.
Yep.